Welcome to another Text Tuesday. Tech Tuesdays are brought to you by NMDelt, a professional learning project from Propel. Woohoo! This week we are exploring Nearpod. Nearpod is a distance or face-to-face learning platform that allows instructors to create interactive, self-paced, or class-paced learning experiences. As our search for a viable replacement for Jamboard continues, I, Jennifer Vogel, am here to introduce or remind you that Nearpod has two possible options. Nearpod is awesome because it does offer teachers a multitude of interactive instructional options, and instructors have the option of controlling their class's pacing or letting participants fend for themselves and choose their own adventure pacing. Draw It is a module that does exactly what the title infers. It gives participants a space to compose creative responses to prompts. Woohoo! Draw It has a place for instructors to write instructions and then let the participants go nuts. Everyone gets to create, and in a face-to-face class, the instructor can project their screen so everyone can see each other's compositions. The drawback, as it were, is that distance learners can't see what their peers are composing, and therefore an asynchronous collaboration doesn't work as well. Draw It does offer composers everything from freehand drawing to shapes and importing images. It even has a text and background option. Creators might just spend hours crafting their artistic masterpieces, so in face-to-face classes, the instructor may want to set a time limit, or not. Nearpod also has a collaboration board, which is a learning platform discussion board. Participants can respond to questions and prompts and then comment on their peers' ideas and start authentic conversations. The instructor can set posts to hide participants' names or not. In my classes, this platform is enormously popular. They like to talk to each other, sometimes even about the subject they posted. Haha. Nearpod offers free access packages that include both the Draw It and collaborative board. Participants do not need to sign up for an account to access lessons. Instructors can also craft asynchronous, or asynchronous, or synchronous, or face-to-face lessons, and NMDelt will soon be doing Nearpod workshops. Thank you, Propel and NMDelt.